Hello everyone, hold your buns 180 degrees to the top and have a beautiful hairpin attached from the left side of the hairband and move it to the right side. With the remaining tail we have comb it, have a hairband touch the middle part and stretch the middle one as a bun and attach the tip to the last lip of the hairband and push the lump downwards by having a little hairpin through it. Stretch the bun for volume. Hold your bunch on top and have a beautiful hairpin attached from the bottom of the hairband and move to the top and secure it there. With the remaining tail we have comb it, have a hairband touch the middle part and bend the tail down, fix it to the last lip of the hairband, stretch the middle one as a bun and move the lump downwards by having a little hairpin through it. Tie your hair in the middle and drop the tail into its loop, making a twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair, make a ponytail, have a hairband, touch the middle part of the tail and stuff the tip to the last loop of the hairband and stuff the entire tail, also the lump, into the middle one, making as a bun. Move the entire bun to the top, covering the twisted band. Have in place by dropping a beautiful hairpin through it. Have a bunch on the top section of the hair in the middle and have a 3-in-1 hair clutcher attached vertically onto the hairband and have a little strip of the hair from the right section right near the bunch we had and twist it and drop it into the first clutcher, and the same one goes for the left section as well. So continue doing it for the second clutcher and for the third clutcher. Create a ponytail and move the tail to the top and attach it to the last clip of the hairband and move the hairband a little bit down and create a gap behind it using your finger. Drop the entire excessive tail into it and also the lump into that as well. Then hide it by moving the excessive hair over that and secure with a lovely hairband and decorate with a lovely hairband on top of that. Have a few strands of hair from the right side and have it secured by dropping a 3-in-1 hair clutcher horizontally to it. Then twist the left section of the hair from the top and have it attached to the third clutcher, and next section goes to the second clutcher and the next one goes to the first clutcher. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and grab the sides of the hair and tie it over the first tail with the hairband and twist it, forming a little loop, and drop the first tail into that and make it come down and have it tighten a little bit. And to enhance your hairstyle even more further, making it loopy by pinching out the hair in the top section. Then after that, to enhance your hairstyle even more further, dropping your favorite hair clutcher on top of that. Choose a lovely simple bun clutcher and straighten your entire ponytail down using it and roll it and make it to the top and bend it down, forming a circle, and hide excessive bun maker by extending the hair against it. That's it, we have made it. Do have a lovely bun maker collection and have a bun maker and insert it vertically behind your ponytail and twist the entire tail against it, making it completely hidden, and have the end secure with the hairband and roll the entire tail into a clockwise direction, making it as a bun, and hide the tip underneath the bun we created. Have the whole bun in place by moving the pretty tip to the left side. Take a very long hairpin and have your entire ponytail twisted against it, making it into a simple bun, and hide the excessive tip underneath the bun we created. Then have the whole bun in place by inserting the hairpin. Go for a ponytail, split them into 2 equal parts and have a twister across each other, forming into a thicker braid. So do the braiding until you reach the bottom and secure the end with the hairband. Then once when you complete the braiding, roll the braid into an anti-clockwise direction, making it as a bun, and hide the tip underneath the bun we just now created. Have the whole bun in place by dropping a beautiful hair clutcher around it. Take a fluffy bun maker and drop your entire hair into its loop and twist it on both of its ends twice to make the loop tighten, and straighten it down and roll it inwards, make it into a roll, and make the tips go against each other on the top section, making it completely secured. Hold your entire hair against your index finger and make it into a hair roll and hide the tip underneath the roll we have and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hair clutcher around it. Thank you everyone for watching this video.